everybody, Crimson here with DecoArt. Today we are going to be doing some paint pouring. Now I don't know if you're familiar with the cloud pour technique. It has been credited to the artist Mely D for creating it with our satin enamels paints and some other mixtures. She has some really cool videos, paint pouring videos over on her site, and you want to make sure you check those out because they give a lot of great tips and tricks and things to get inspired by. Today, what I'm going to do is follow along with one of her newest videos using that cloud pour mixture along with some other DecoArt paints. And we're going to see if we can get some of the same kind of cool effects that she got with her pour. And we'll see how it goes. Make sure to subscribe and like down below. And with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so I have these all mixed up already. I'm pouring consistency. Hopefully that's right. Let's see. She's got hers lined up, so I'll do that too. I really had to, like you saw, if you watch her video, that texture paint's pretty thick. So doing the watering down and the thick, or in the pouring medium works well. Alright, so she's got it in the center. Comparatively, let's see. What do you think? Maybe a little bit more. There we go. Well, let's see what she does next. I think she moves it around a little bit. Spread it out.
It is ours.
Let me pause. Hold on. Hold on, Millie. Alright. Trying to keep in the circle. Okay, that looks good. Alright, so it looks like she's going to pour the metallic first, which is the 25 karat.
Gorgeousness.
Gorgeousness, yes. I want some of that. So let's see, she does maybe like a third. That looks right. Let's see what she does. Oh, which one? Okay. So now we're doing the texture.
One beside each other.
One beside each other. Okay, all three, one beside each other. Got it. There's that one. This one looks a little bubbly from me mixing it. Hopefully that won't affect it. Alright, do we see any reactions like we see in her video? Let's see. She's poured the black. Yeah, we're getting the same reaction she got here.
Yes, you can see right away. This one is getting sucked in.
So that one's getting sucked in, she says. This one's starting to do it, she said on her video, but not quite as much as this one's staying put. Alright, so then she's putting the regular student acrylics in each center. Hold on, let me get rid of this. This one. This one. And the black one?
When I say normal, I mean non-reacting.
Yeah. Now what, Melody? So she poured it around. That'd probably just help it to move when we start moving the canvas. It'll help the paint move. I don't know how much to use, because that's right. Yeah. Oh, that was a fun time. Alright, does it matter which way?
Let's start with the gold first.
Thanks. Gold first. Alright, she's gonna let it run off. Ah, come on.
Gold off.
Gold off.
This side.
And then we're going to black. And then to the orange. See what I'm doing? So you just want to cover your whole canvas. No unpainted spots.
Super simple.
Yeah.
I'm just going to give this some time, okay? See what happens. It's already changing a lot.
We are starting to get some of that pitting and sailing like she got. Cool. And some of these clouded areas, love that. So she seemed to think it would change, and hers did change over time, so I'm curious to see how this will look in a little while. Okay, so it's been a while. We've let this dry overnight, so this has changed a lot. We have some really, really cool little things that have shot off to the side. I don't even know what to call those. It's like little stems that are lightning. I don't know if you can see that. It's really cool. But like Mely D did in her video, if I wanted to go back in and highlight some of these really neat areas with some of the metallics or the oranges, I can go back in with a small brush. I kind of like it just the way it is. So yeah, I think it turned out great. I'll probably be trying another one just to see what I can get. So if you haven't already done so, please subscribe and like this video and leave a comment below. Like if you've tried this and it turned out well for you, if you got some really cool effects, let us know. All right, bye.